Alright, like I said, got the MT410 out on 6S. Back at the spot we were at a couple days ago when we broke the kraton. Ash will probably be driving that when she gets out. Let's see how this thing is on 6S. That didn't last long at all. Pinion gear. So that's done already. Bang! Welcome to the family, buddy. You're gonna hate it here. Well, you're gonna hate Sasha, but you're gonna love me. Well, you better love me anyway. I'm gonna throw you in a dumpster. So that's the Arrma Outcast Exb. You probably all know that already, so I don't really think that truck needs introduction. Looks like it's gonna move. Looks like it's gonna be a fun truck. Well, my only problem is probably this radio right here. I got it in my Italian, my Vortex, my Outcast 8S. And in my Italian, it has issues with connecting. When you first start up, you gotta turn it on and off the Italian, the car, the remote. Sometimes I gotta take the lid off the Italian for it to connect. And then once I shut it off again, like if I guess it comes unplugged or something, I gotta do that all over again to connect. As for my Vortex, it does the same thing with the connection issues.
You fart in here?
No.
It fucking stinks in here. You farted.
You're probably smelling your breath. Sorry for the interruption. I let her out of her cage too early this morning. This thing with my Vortex, not only with the connection issues, it also has a range of about 50 feet. So I'm trashing that remote with that car. But we're going to get this one ready. It's obviously charged up because I already had it running. Take it out for a bash, see what breaks on it, because it's probably going to pull a kraton and shit the bed and break its back end too. So we'll see you when we get out there. I'm probably going to put her back in the cage. Smile. Good morning. What's that?
Don't ever send a picture of me with this on my head again. You put it on backwards? Yeah. What an idiot.
I'm getting freaking old.
You are old. I just took 10 minutes to put it on nicely.
Good. Right angle.
Good on?
Yeah. You can drive this one.
Have I driven this one yet?
No, you haven't.
They all look the same to me. Battery's dead.
Better not be. Watch out, that one's powerful. You haven't driven it yet.
See,
you just sprayed the van. You yell at me.
You better move the van.
Why are you gonna hit it?
Totally missed it.
You missed the ramp. Oh.
And I landed.
So did you. That one's gonna dust it.
There you go.
Oh! Oh! What the hell did you hit? Wow, there's a lot of bricks there. See what broke on it this time. Good to go. What the hell? That one nosedives. Yeah, I don't know, man. That one just nosedived. Holy crap! You almost killed me. Must have been bad plastic the first time you ran it, because you should have killed it by now. Oops. Oh, okay. You just turned around. Lost the screw. Look out! Did you kill it?
No, it's still charged.
No, did you kill it as in killed the car? What did you do to it?
I think it just came undone.
No, you snapped the, I think that might be snapped. Yeah, that's snapped.
No.
Yeah, you can see where the screw snapped right there.
Where?
Right there.
This thing?
Yeah, that snap.
That wasn't, I landed the jump too.
Yeah. Car killer. You killed another car.
I landed it, I think.
Yeah, it looks like you did.
I landed it.
Landed it straight into a bus or something. At least the car we're featuring today is still running until Sasha got hold of it. Now that Outcast's probably going to be broke after one pull.
What are yours?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
Are you going to stop taking me out now?
No. If I do take you out, it's not going to be in the way you think.
They do pew pew.
Yeah, pew pew. I better not put that in. I'll end up getting charged with attempted murder or something. Did it get you? Paybacks. Break another car. Why?
I don't know. I would fucking cry. Stop.
Got whacked in the head by a couple rocks. Almost got myself. Oh, wow, doesn't come unplugged from that one. Is it broke? Still going. Oh, this is my Energizer bunny. Wing popped off. Oh! What's up, crooked face? You have a stroke?
What happened here?
I think you had a stroke. Your face is crooked. You had a really shitty day. You got smart and busted a nut before you even got going. Wow, Outcast did good. Better than what I thought it was going to do. Better than that hunk of junk down there. Come on, Kraton, wise up. It wind up in a dumpster. Nothing really broke on it other than that wing, and not sure about the chassis. Chassis still straight as an arrow. Transmitter did good, no connection issues, no range issues, so I'm happy with that. Don't need to toss that one in the garbage and get a freaking $50 transmitter. It's probably 10 times as good anyway. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.